Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. Today we discuss how to add reference in research paper. First we need to understand what citation mean. A citation is the way you tell your readers that certain material in your work came from another source. It also gives your readers the information necessary to find that source again, including information about the author, the title of the work, the name and location of the company that published your copy of the source, the date your copy was published, the page numbers of the material you are borrowing. Now going to main topic, how to add citation in research paper. First open your Google page, and type Google Scholar and click. OK, now open Google Scholar. OK, now put here any article you want to search according to your research. For example, we are looking impact of social media, so here you can see that different reference and articles are displayed on the screen. Now you can see here, on the cursor that is a double sign with the word cite. OK, now click on this sign. As soon as click on the specific sign, there are different reference styles are being shown in your screen. For example, we have MLA style, Chicago and so on. OK, now copy this text, this reference style from Google Scholar and paste this reference on your Word file. So you can that this reference style is perfectly in the APA style. Now you can list this style one by one with same process. In this way you can easily download or copy your references without any software. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial will help you in managing your references. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos about research.